And I just want to ask, just for builders, like a building question. I know that you have hit records, and I heard that Ed Haynes just hit 1 million, and we've only been officially launched for less than 60 days or about 60 days. So for a brand new person, because I know we have a variety of people on here, people that are listening that may be on the fence, people that have been in network marketing for years, people that just started and had never even heard of network marketing. What would you tell a brand new person coming to this opportunity to focus on within the next 90 days?
That's a great question. The way I do and teach coaching is what I call bespoke style. And what I mean by bespoke, it's all customized to your particular interests. I don't just do blanket coaching because it doesn't work. All of us are different and have individual assets that we bring to the table that may allow us to grow faster, or some of us may have to take a longer route to the business. And so this is what's also wrong with the industry is we throw out these things and say, hey, do this, and you'll go and hit this amount of money in this amount of time. Well, how do you know? It's no different than if I took 6 people here today and I said, hey, on this call, didn't know them, and I told them, hey, listen, here's what I want you to eat. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to run X number of miles a day. I want you to work out X number of days. And in 6 weeks, each one of you are going to lose 50 pounds. No, it doesn't work that way, because the person it may take them 6 months to lose 50 pounds because they're right in shape. Then I have another person may lose 50 pounds in the first month because they're probably 100, 200 pounds overweight. So we have to do an assessment that way. No one would go to the doctor and the doctor just give them the same thing that the last patient just left, has a whole different diagnosis. Mm-hmm. So in a general sense, here's what you should do, okay? Number one, if the person wants to hit their goals and really get on a fast, accelerated pace, number one, understand the vision of who we are and what we are, because it's very difficult to sell a person on the business if they don't buy you. So I always make sure the person buys me first, and then they figure out what they're going to join. They buy HB first. That's who I sell. I don't sell the business. I sell me. And then they say, okay, what comes with this guy right here? And this guy knows where he's going. Oh, this company with this technology is, that's $1,000? Okay, yeah. But I'm betting my $1 million on him. My $1,000 goes for the package. The package is an accessory. They buy you, Nikki. And that's why the success that you're going to have is because they're going to buy you. Now, the next thing is get a specific game plan and follow the 5-step system that we do have, because that's going to be a conversation between that new person and their upline, assessing their goals. You'll see us talk about the who, what, when, where, and why. What are you going to do? Who do you want to do it with? Why do you want to do this? Blah, blah, blah. All of those things, that's in the who, what, when, where, and why. Now it's customized. Your sponsor or leader, they know what it is that you want. You want to make sure that your name is ringing in their mind. So for example, Nikki, if I'm doing goal setting and planning, and I'm your mentor or coach, you want to make sure that you've told me exactly and specifically what it is that you're using this vehicle called iBuumerang for. Why? Because if I know, I've got a picture of it, and every time I see your phone, I'm seeing what it is that you want, and it makes me more eager to go work with you and for you. If it's just a number, guess what you are? A number. And I didn't build what I built because I just give facts and figures. I built what I built because I take the time and I get emotionally attached to your specific goals. Then we give you a strategic plan of what are some of the work requirements that are going to be necessary in order to accomplish that. But most importantly, if a person does all of that and do not infuse themselves in our system, they're going to now have to add time, additional time that it's going to take to achieve those goals.